In this video, I'm going to answer that age-old question, when is the best time to upload my videos? Hi there, David Walsh here once again from davidwalshonline.com. If this is your first time here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell to be notified every time we upload videos every Tuesday. Now, I got a question from one of my subscribers, John Explorers, and he asks, scheduling and the best times to do it. So this is an answer to a video I put out asking you for your questions. When clients ask me what time is the best time to upload or schedule their videos, I would normally reply as like, pick a time, anytime, any day of the week that you want to upload your videos. And then over time, your audience will be conditioned to tune in at that time. While this is still definitely the case, there are some tools out there that will actually help you identify what time is the best to upload or schedule your videos for. So let's head on over to the trusted computer as I show you how to use them. Okay, so the first tool I'm going to show you is vidIQ. So I'm uploading a video here, and on the side, because I've got the Chrome extension installed, it shows me the best time to upload under its area here, best time to publish on your channel. So overall it says between 12 and 2 p.m. is the best time any day of the week. Now that's over on the week. I can look at this on a daily basis. Now it does show me that on 9 p.m. on Mondays is good. If I wanted to pick a Tuesday, it's between 12 and 2, and that's why I publish at 2 p.m. on Tuesdays. On Wednesdays, between 12 and 2 is the best again. Then on Thursdays, it says that 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. is the best. Then on Fridays, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Then Saturday, it's a 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. And then Sundays, again, is 12 to 2. So this is vidIQ, and if you haven't got that installed, then you can use another free tool, which is called Video Amigo. So all you need to do is go to videoamigo.com and go to their Creator Suite. Then under Video Springboard on the left-hand side, click on that and you will see when to upload. Click on that, then it gives you the best time to upload for your specific topic. Now, it is good to add your channel to this so it can track how things are going on there. So under topics on the left-hand side, I'm under YouTube how-tos and video marketing, YouTube audience development. Now, Video Amigo has identified this is the category where my channel belongs, and it is correct. So I can look at YouTube how-tos, and pretty much any day in the week it works pretty good there. Now, if I go into video marketing and YouTube audience development, that's a different story. So it says the weekend is the best, and on a Friday night works really, really well. Or during the week, pretty much any time apart from these blue areas is pretty good time to upload. So you'll see here Tuesdays 2 p.m. is quite good, and pretty much any other time bar 12 noon to 1 p.m. So if you're starting out and you want to find out when is the best time to upload, you can pop in your search topics here. So say I wanted to do Disney toys. So I just type in Disney and then it gives me a number of categories this has set up. So I could do Disney dolls, Disney Toontown, Disney TV movies, or just overall Disney. So let's just go with Disney. So if you're doing Disney, then pretty much any time bar these 4 areas here on Fridays, Saturdays and Sundays, you're pretty good to go. So put in your search term here, it will bring up the categories it's got, and then you will then see when is the best time. Those are the 2 tools you could use to find out when is the best to upload or schedule your videos. We use them for our clients to find out when is the best time that they should schedule their videos for their niches. So what tools do you use? Is there one that we haven't mentioned here? If there is, let me know in the old comments area below. I'd love to know what that is. And as always, if you have a question about this or anything else to do with YouTube, again, pop that in the old comments area below. I'd love to help you get that question answered. And as always, if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button somewhere here, and also the notification bell to be notified every time we upload videos every Tuesday. And make sure to hit one of these fine specimens of videos to help you grow your YouTube channel, get more viewers and subscribers.